Hi, I'm Dr. Coutteel from Belgium. I'd like to give you some information about the use of our bird pedicure. Birds with age tend to develop scaling on the legs and the toes. We call this hyperkeratosis. This can cause some problems. First of all, we see some stiffness in the joints of the leg, so they can move less smoothly. Also, we see a poorer fertilisation due to copulation difficulties. Sometimes birds are picking themselves until they are bleeding. And last but not least, we can have some constriction of the ring with a possible loss of the lower part of the leg. This can easily be prevented by using the ointment bird pedicure. Regular application of this ointment via gentle massage is necessary because scales are slowly coming off. This has to be repeated after a few days, and also take care of the long nails. When they are too long, this has to be cut with a suitable scissor as well. I wish you good luck.